This here is a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's a great vlogging camera, but it's not perfect. My 4 accessories make it perfect. Hey and welcome back to my small but slowly growing channel, growing thanks to you. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is indeed one of the most popular vlogging cameras. It's used by vloggers all across the planet, either as a primary camera or as a secondary vlogging camera, and this for good reasons. The specs are great, the video quality is great, it is tiny, you can easily carry it with you around, it's not very visible, and at the same time also it integrates perfectly well in the DJI ecosystem, but not only in the DJI ecosystem, because you have plenty of accessories which make this camera so much better. You can either buy it in the standard version or in the Creative Combo version that I would highly recommend. If you buy it in the Creative Combo version, you get it in this nice pouch here, which is a great accessory by itself. And you get a lot of things in this pouch, which make the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 really a good camera. But there are certain things, certain accessories that I have replaced. But first, let's have a look at the accessories in this pouch, in the Creative Combo, that I am keeping, that I really like, and that I would highly recommend that you're also keeping. The first accessory, which is absolutely a must, is the battery grip, because the battery on the Osmo Pocket is notoriously not very big, so you indeed will need very often this battery grip simply to extend the battery life. That's something that I always have with me, because unfortunately I'm running quite often out of battery with the DJI Osmo Pocket. The second accessory is actually this tiny little tripod that comes in the Creative Combo, which might not be perfect, but you can perfectly screw it on the battery grip, and then you have a nice little tripod, and it's even high enough also to use it for many purposes. So that's definitely something that I would also keep. But it comes with a problem, because as long as you're not using the battery grip, there is no possibility actually to screw this tripod on. Later more about that. And then, last but not least, the accessory that I definitely also will keep is the wide-angle lens that you can put simply on the camera itself to have a little bit wider field of view, which can be very useful, especially if you want to film yourself. And last but not least, I must say also the pouch itself is not bad, because you can perfectly store the camera inside, a couple of accessories, and also most of the accessories that I'm going to recommend. So I would recommend getting this pouch here in the Creative Combo, because it makes perfect sense. But now let's have a look at those accessories from this pouch that I'm going to replace by something definitely better. DJI is very known for their microphones. The DJI Mic Mini, the DJI Mic 3, these are great microphones which are small, tiny, very lightweight. Unfortunately, and I still don't understand the reason why, in the Creative Combo of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, DJI is still selling, well, this one here, the DJI Mic 2, which is quite big and clumsy. What I did simply, I ordered the single edition of the DJI Mic Mini and simply replaced it. It integrates seamlessly with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, connects on it, you don't need to have any additional receiver. It comes with a little charging case, USB-C, and you can perfectly put it in the pouch as well. So that's definitely an upgrade, because you don't want to have this big thing here hanging around you. So just invest a few bucks and get the DJI Mic Mini instead. Unfortunately, the DJI Osmo Pocket doesn't come with a 1/4 inch hole. That means if you want to mount it on any tripod or any accessory, then you need to kind of use always this little bit clumsy thing here, which comes with a Creative Combo, which is the extension. Of course, it has the 1/4 inch hole here down, it has USB-C on the back, but as you can see, it's quite big, and it doesn't add anything else except for making it bigger and adding the hole. That's all. I was buying the Never extension grip here, which is much smaller as the original DJI extension grip, as you can see, but it has even some pluses, because if you connect it, first of all, it's really good quality, it's made of metal. First thing is, you have of course also here the 1/4 inch hole at the bottom. You have the USB-C at the back. But It doubles down also as an Arca Swiss plate adapter. That means you can right away put your DJI Osmo Pocket on a GorillaPod or any other compatible tripod or mount, and that's something which is great. Plus, in addition, you can use it even as a stand on surfaces which are kind of flat. So that's also not so bad, and simply it's so much smaller and makes sense. If you're filming with your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, especially now that springtime is coming, you will film a lot outside. And what do you need when you're filming outside? Well, you need to have ND filters, because ND filters, they act like sunglasses for the camera lenses, and as such the shutter speed will be slower and you will retain this more cinematic image rather than having a very high shutter speed. I got the set here from Neewer, which comes with 3 different ND filters plus 1 polarizing filter, and they really help actually to make the image quality outside in the bright sunlight so much better, so much more crisp and more beautiful. And the polarizing filter is anyway something that you need to have, because if you want to film against reflecting surfaces or even having a little bit better image, then this is definitely the right choice. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 has a huge problem when it comes to audio, because there is no possibility to connect a headphone over a headphone jack. There is no possibility to connect a Bluetooth headphone directly, and as such there is no possibility instantly to monitor the sound. Luckily, there is a very simple solution, because the USB-C port transports the audio to the outside. You can get this tiny little adapter here, which is nothing else than a USB-C Bluetooth to audio adapter, in this case from Ugreen. You connect it, and then you connect simply your headphones on it, and you can monitor your sound. And this even while you're speaking with a DJI Mic Mini, so you can monitor the sound while you're recording it. Get such a small adapter here, or get this adapter cable. You can even connect, by the way, over this adapter cable, analog microphones on it. But that's another chapter for another video how to do that. So that's it for my 4 favorite accessories for the DJI Osmo Pocket. I'm pretty sure that you have also some accessories that you use on a daily basis. Put it in the comments, because I'm really curious what you're using. Let's discuss. And if you liked the video, well, I guess you know what you have to do in this case. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and whatever else. Thanks for watching.